Hello, this is Morgan. Today I'm excited to introduce the double head gas wok range. Whether it's for a Chinese restaurant or a large kitchen, this device offers efficient cooking experience. Made from 304 stainless steel, this double head gas wok range features a sturdy, easy-to-clean surface. The design includes a sink and a high back panel for the shelf, providing extra space for cookware and enhancing kitchen efficiency. Each burner delivers 250,000 BTU per hour of power, providing intense heat perfect for high-heat cooking. Whether it's for deep frying or quick stir-frying, it handles all cooking needs with ease. The unique knob control allows chefs to control the heat easily with their need. These features reduce operation time in a busy kitchen, enabling precise heat control and improving efficiency. The double head gas wok range offers a powerful cooking heat and an efficient kitchen design. If you're interested in this product, leave a comment and we will provide you more information and discount. That's all for today. See you next time.